In the heart of Saddlewood Ranch, where time flows like the steady rhythm of hooves on dusty trails, a cherished legacy endures. The ranch, an ode to family, hard work, and the spirit of the land, has always stood as a testament to resilience. Here, traditions and stories are passed from father to son and mother to daughter. At the heart of this story lay the ranch house, a weathered sentinel against the elements. In the past, the wooden siding had demanded constant attention, stealing precious hours from the ranch. But as seasons turn, new solutions become available. Saddlewood Everlog Siding is one of these solutions. This dependable and sturdy siding not only shields the house, but also wraps the barn and stable in its low-maintenance concrete siding, offering protection from the fierce summer sun and the harshest of winters. Rebuilding with this low-maintenance siding secures the ranch, allowing it to endure with grace for generations while freeing time to steward the land, tend to the horses, and cherish the family. With Saddlewood Everlog Siding, it's not just a ranch, it's a legacy.